know yours day on point. Or then you want to say, okay, I'm going for the weekend. You just be playing something else and the noise. It's just like noise now.
Let me put your earring for you.
Thank you. It's too noisy on a Monday. I don't hear. Yeah, Nedu, so
hold on now.
Small now. Yeah. So for saying I'm going to.
They put them well for you now.
Nedu, okay, put them well. You I'm interested if you're this.
They put them. I choke them well.
Aye. Oh.
I didn't insert them well.
Now night time. Now you could know where.
Anyway, now good evening and welcome to the night show for today. We're the 20th of April 2015. My name is Nanedu_. Me and Katim don't sit down.
Let me. What you want in your me this Monday?
I'm not be help. They help you.
You know they help me. Which kind?
So I for leave them.
Okay, now that song with easy play. You want to murder me? Oh, it cannot work. On a Monday, you want to murder. Ebo, she want murder. I don't want murder.
And DJ Easy Beat. When I'm going to wonder why I dress like a waiter for hotel.
Hey.
They can stand up.
They do they work for Wasobia Hotel.
Why I dress like person where? Please, what is your order, sir? Easy Beat, what will you have tonight, sir?
I need just, you know, some
chicken panache.
nice juice, you know what I'm saying?
Juice, mango juice, or guava juice, or papa juice, or agbaluma juice.
Coconut juice.
Coconut juice. What do you want, man?
Agbaluma juice.
Agbaluma
plus
juice.
Mango juice.
Okay.
Plus peach juice. Plus avocado juice. All that juice.
You will go to Elegushi and look for it.
No, they say they have it in Wasobia Hotel.
They say make I do modeling today. Make I wear this cloth. Make them see whether una go like them or not. Whether... Make I pull my shoe.
Neru, you they always off shoe, and this your shoe they fine. I don't know why you don't like to show people. You they call Sele.
So this is modeling. So not gonna tell me whether I got them.
Hey.
Come play music. They play music when they can't work. Play music. Play one. Okay, they like woman now. Make I do like man. Man own. They carry chest like this.
Igwe! They're daddy.
Anyway, from
you go your see small children go begin cry inside the crowd.
Daddy, who is that? Anyway, last week we been get dildo. Sorry.
Choco dildo.
We been get Choco deal for inside studio, and we're not to finish discussion with Choco deal because una not agree and talk. Una way love from others girls. I like deal.
They call the struggle between dildo and easy beat.
And easy beat. Men cool too. They call say deal. They soft. Like he deal.
He sing one song with Jamie Adade.
The deal, yeah, so soft. Yeah, so soft. Your body is so soft. I take no say deal, but
he say it they clean.
It they clean. You're smooth. You're clean. I don't have.
I don't take no say body soft.
And another thing again that we are going to say about this deal of a man. It don't come back today. So when I go see call ask a question. We got question when we want ask that day, but we don't ask it that day.
We don't ask
eat.
Eat also eat.
When you're suspecting somebody, the person eat.
Eat.
Yes.
Oh.
That is a present participle pronoun.
All right. So the past participle pronoun continuous. I mean, no, them.
Them. Mom! Oh, you go school.
Let's go now.
I just say you go fail out.
No. How can now? No.
Now, he come with one girl that day. Now, you know, say, we can't talk, say him.
He be like,
he be like them Uzi.
You know.
Alex Kuba.
You know. You know.
He can't say no. Say him like chocolate.
Nobody can argue with
Nobody
them.
argue with them.
They can't ask them who you try to convince whether you like chocolate or you don't like chocolate.
Now, he bring another girl.
Yeah.
Then today, he can't bring another girl entirely.
But we know him plan. He just won't convince people say.
He won't make we know say no. That's the one at the top side. They follow it.
It's okay.
I like girls.
It's okay.
He bring the black one today. Bring color TV.
But we know. Because they don't have flesh and blood.
We know you.
Yes.
Because it. Oh God. Let's move on.
Yes.
Anyway, for the small G's, we enter before start show off today. We don't yet say finally. The Lord has touched
and ministered unto. Yes.
30G.
Die.
The Lord above in the heaven Well, more Teddy G 3 times.
Oh.
Look at him now.
Oh.
Father said, Teddy G.
Fine boy, make it now, but I
Teddy G.
Yeah, me, I don't
Cut your hair.
But I don't see read a picture.
Now, make I give you a gist of Teddy G.
Before and after.
When I know what it costs this thing, make I give you the gist. Is it but you want to hear the gist?
Now, see, fine, you can't resemble two face small.
Wait. When I come out the picture, I have a gist to gist about what him bring about this thing.
So cool in lips.
Come out the Now, Teddy G, I don't give you this gist before.
Yeah, well,
Teddy G go worry. Make it go perform for Easter way pass here. So as I call reach worry now. Now, a manager call say Teddy G, Baba, then they call you for back.
Yes.
So in go by it, like fans, hey, now they bad guy. Can't say me snap with them. So as one snap with them, it can't smell it go for that one body. It can't tell that one, Baba, half one now. I forget. The guy can't tell us, say, okay, make it go bring it go.
Hey!
Now, that one now, come go rush, go bring it go. Easy bit to hear me. The guy can't rap the go as person at Teddy G make it up for him. Can't rap like one. Teddy G say no now. Rap 3 for me. Teddy G can't carry the first one. Smoke as he drag.
You know, say he for trade suffering.
The guy cut him wait now. The guy call tell us say, Baba, no drag this. Go this like quality. No drag out too much.
No drag am anyhow.
We know how they smoke for Lagos. Now say drag. If finish that one, go collect another one again.
Five.
Smoke and reach half. Now they come call Teddy G on the stage to perform the Ginger Master, Akpako Master, Teddy G. Teddy G just carry waka reach stage. He can't carry a bell. As he carry a bell, he got DJ. Give me music. As DJ won't start, he can't say stop. He can't remember say he need take another Igbo. He can't go back. Can't tell the manager that half will make he give him. Now he do. As he can't go back. Beat! Track 2! Go, they go. Teddy G can't knock the bell. Bam!
Hey!
I wish say he not knock that bell. Teddy G can't knock the bell. Bam!
No, they no advice.
Can't carry mic. Make him perform in song now. Because say, DJ, kill the beat. DJ can't kill the beat.
You know,
all of me wants all of you.
Imagine Teddy G
love your perfect on your fashion. Then the manager go say, no be one song. He say, okay. As I don't win the car, God win. So now after that you go experience, the manager go tell us say, no stop this thing. So as a customer now, then when they come minister to them, it can't shake.
Say the dada they make them in know they quick see all those endorsement kind something. You know, you think I'm serious. So you know, I don't hear that kind of barbing salon. I can work perfect model, keep what model. So
but the question why they ask now?
Now I can add it for a newborn fine boy.
Now. If you go stage, you go fit see the jump like that.
If Timaya fit caught in dada.
No, Timaya own now evil spirit. We know evil spirit. Now make go sing. I will never bow down. I will never bow down.
Because
some people worship, some people juju.
So what thing you they tell me say be now? So we could expect that kind of song from Teddy G.
No, Teddy G.
Now when don't call
Teddy G na worship song. You go they sing now.
Jehovah,
Onyama, Jehovah, Teddy G Akpako. No, you go come out Akpako.
No, you must come out.
Teddy G,
brother, Teddy G.
If you not cut your hair, you not go be singing.
No, you not go be singing.
If this is he cut this in Jericho, what's going to happen?
If you put money now.
In the night time when Easy don't sleep.
No. Easy na Samson, not be Samson. Then the second story we go talk about sharp before we carry waka enter the main matter of today.
I know that this one. I know that this one is sweet. It is sweet. They don't sweet.
I have a personal interest in this story. Now, one man, then they accuse him, say he rape person.
They say they get evidence.
They get evidence, say he rape.
The man quiet, he don't talk
anything. Then they say the man rape, the man say, no be me. They say, okay, now you rape. Now, the wife come outside, because, madam, talk to your husband, he rape. Now the woman foot, come to him.
He clap hand. You know, say women, they like to clap hand.
Now be my husband rape this rape. Oh, madam, you don't support your husband for rape. So now do the rape. Now the woman say,
he said, now she know her husband.
I know my husband. A machine gun, not the rice. This man is important.
He said, he know they do. That's why the man know the toxins.
In manhood, not the work. So you don't want to take rape. Now one now compound people now. After that, you know say
that one come become topic.
Now that one come become topic.
Everybody come look the woman say so.
That one na do man go the man go look am. Man Kechi, are you stupid?
It's a make I talk.
Are you stupid?
Papa Kechi, make I talk. I don't tire to put up with all this your nonsense. What then Papa Ada go come say, Mama Kechi, you can't find these days. You know, if you tell me say things not they happen that side. Yeah. So where are you going to be tonight at 8 o'clock? Come and meet me at behind the square. No, but Neru, I said and throw now. It's happened like that.
See the canteen where you think.
You know you think
after you go the abuse Easy Bit.
Yeah. I never accused Easy Bit before.
Easy Bit. You never accused Easy Bit.
Now you are the abuse. The accused. I feel Easy Bit is a very good boy.
And then one last one when he be saying make me ask.
Which last one again?
No, not this last one.
Which one?
This one now. I said I go ask question for the matter before we enter the proper matter.
Why
one man say want travel? Go Obodo Ibo. They need a citizenship. He can't marry his daughter because of citizenship.
To keep it in the family now.
He married his daughter because now the question was see him now. Man married his daughter because of citizenship. See the girl, be like the girl they run from the man.
No, you keep it in the family.
See, you see, what I don't nonsense. No.
Not just fake marriage or a real marriage.
No, yours for paper.
What if the church now where they marry? Contact say then go nobody say then go expose. Say then go lodge them for somewhere. Say after marriage, make them go do what they do for marriage night.
No, they don't go do anything now. The pikin go stand.
And that part where they say you may not kiss the bride, uncle.
Wow.
Then what you they talk? No be one cough now inside this night so call kiss in pikin.
That one because you win election now.
Oh, I'm sorry you.
So maybe the girl will contact. You can't tell the man. Instead of me call him daddy, you call him John. Yeah. Do you think John will be your lawful wedded husband? Hey. You can't look at John.
You say Daddy John.
Not be Daddy John. You know, you go call him like I mate.
You know,
John.
He could call him Papa John.
Now for you. You go call him a name now. Sorry. John. I take you to lawful. I didn't talk that thing again. I take you to be my lawful wedded husband.
In sickness and in health, in rain side and in sunshine.
You may now kiss the bride. Hey!
No, look me. Look at Papa say.
Then go kiss. No, then go down rehearse.
You could give him eyes if you near me.
Then go down rehearse.
No matter how they rehearse, and kiss na kiss. It's not drama. It's not real life. You and your picking.
Why is it
I keep quiet? You don't kiss like that.
I don't know.
When you kiss, one way you kiss, how you be?
I don't know.
Which way I kiss?
The one way you kiss now, that one way you kiss, how you be?
You particular about.
Why you talk? Not be you. We they talk. We talk anything.
It's even close it down. From his eye and his mouth. Kiss na kiss.
Kiss na.
They do.
Kiss na kiss.
I just say now, give me 5 Neru. You are too much. I just say now, let me see that thing. Kiss na kiss. See you are mouth.
Kiss na kiss.
How many kills you kiss a free?
That's what I do, man.
Like China person, kiss na kiss. Anyway, now for you now go back small chicken break. We'll come back. Deal. Sorry. Go down sit down for
inside. I'm short from a deal. But for the purpose of I don't know for the young one, I get a deal though.